All right, so I've gone ahead and boiled some water. So I'm going to put the set of teeth in 1 cup. Let that sit. And now I'm taking the impression beads and putting them into the other cup. So as you can already see, the beads have went from a white color to an almost clear color. So they are going to be very moldable. So I'm just going to let them set a little bit longer before we start molding them. All right, so I'm going to see if I can scoop out some of this material here. Woo. And I'm just going to place that material into the trough here of the veneers. Okay, use my finger just to kind of mold it into that trough. It's a little hot. So I'm just molding that in. I'm so excited to try this. I hope they work just as good as the upper set. So be sure to put it into the anchor holes and then put it in your mouth and hold for 30 seconds. And then pop it out. As you can see, it has imprinted my teeth marks into the impression material here. So I'm just gonna let that harden before putting it back in. So the veneers and the impression material have completely hardened and molded together, so they are ready to be used. So let's see how well it grips and how well they look. Well, they just popped right into place. Nope, they're not even coming loose. So the fit is really good. The adhesive material works really well. It definitely does take some getting used to talking with these in your mouth, and it does give me a slight bit of an overbite, but that could also be because of the shape of my teeth. If my teeth were, more flatter, or I was missing some teeth, obviously, this would probably look a lot better. In terms of like color and appearance, I think they look pretty darn natural. Makes me kind of realize how ugly and crooked my upper teeth are, which I didn't think were that bad to begin with. But anyways, yeah, the color and everything, I think it looks so natural looking. What do you guys think?